Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I will teach you step by step how you can blur the video background using the Shotcut video editing tool. So let's get started. In the first step, launch the Shotcut video editor, start a new video project, and add the video clips you would like to use for your video project to your library by clicking on Open File here in the top left corner and by uploading your video clips from your computer. So I would like to put that video clip here, guys, in the background and apply a blur effect to this one. And after that, add a second video clip at that time without any blur effect. So let me show you how it's done really quickly. First, select your background video and place it on your timeline here below on that video track, just like that. After that, left click on it and head over to this section here, filters, click on that plus icon, and here in the search bar, search for a blur effect called Blur Exponential. That one here, click on it to apply it, and after that click on that plus icon again and search for two more filters. The first one called Mask Simple Shape, that one here, so on left click on it, and also add that one here to your library, Mask Apply. You may also bookmark them by clicking on that star icon here to the left so that you don't have to search for them manually anymore later. And also make sure, guys, that the Blur Exponential effect is in the middle and the Mask Simple Shape filter here at the top, just like that in that order. And after that, left click on the Mask Simple Shape filter and select the area here on your frame you would like to apply the blur effect to. I would like it to cover the entire frame, so let me drag the corners just like that so that it covers the entire frame or the entire area here. And last but not least, left click on the Blur Exponential filter and adjust the blur effect's intensity. So let me make it really blurry just like that. Alright, watching in the preview mode. And in the very last step, guys, add your second video clip to your video project by heading back to your library or to your playlist here to the left by adding a separate video track to your video project. You can do that by clicking on these three horizontal lines here to the left and by selecting track operations from the drop-down menu and add video track from the following drop-down menu. And last but not least, simply place or drag and drop your second video clip on your separate video track here on that one here above. Adjust your video clip's position and length, watch your video project in the preview mode, and if you're content with your setup, export your video file or keep editing. That's totally up to you guys. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.